haven't seen y'all in so long. Get one of these. It's a chicken salad. Y'all better get. Hello guys. It's 4 days later after when I recorded because guess what? Chris, tell them.
What?
Why haven't I recorded in 4 days?
Because we had a blizzard.
Guys, we had a massive snowstorm. We were snowed in, got 6 feet, 6 inches. So when I tell y'all this is our first time, well, Chris still had to work through the entire thing, dealing with all the blizzards. It was like apocalypse, he said. But me, I was in the house for 4 days. They closed my job for 2 days. So this is our first time getting out and eating. And y'all know I got hair to do. And what else? Grocery shop. I got so much to do, guys. 4 days passed, so I'm happy that I'm back. I'm gonna show y'all the snow because I said that before and I forgot to show y'all because I didn't believe how much snow was coming. But I'm gonna show y'all the snow when I get back close to home, and we will continue this video tomorrow. It is the next morning. You see it's super sunny out here. I'm trying to be so careful, y'all. We got so much snow and I don't want to slip down the stairs, so I'm gonna show y'all. Whew. Okay, so y'all got too much with me. I'm about to start my little day. It is 11 o'clock in the morning, and I have to do here, guys. Go to the bank, go return bottles, go grocery shopping. And work on orders because I'm still waiting for my packages actually. Hold on, guys. Sorry. For my packages, so I started getting, of course I already started getting some stuff together for Pink Friday, but I'm waiting for more packages so I can get more stuff together. So like just make sure I got everything in stock. But of course with the snowstorm, my stuff is right here in Buffalo. I told y'all. Well, I never said where I was from, but my stuff is right here where I'm from, but it still haven't came yet. I don't understand that. So it's like, ooh, I'm so nervous to drive in the snow because I don't want to get stuck. Okay. Oh, look at the deer. He watching me like, why are you even out? I wish I could show y'all. Oh, it's a bunch of deers out. I don't even know why, or how they be literally, the snow be up to their neck because I told y'all it's like 6 feet. But it's what it is. I really want to get my nails and toes done because that was my plan. If y'all seen, well, y'all been watching the first clip, which was like 6 days ago. I started this vlog. I wanted to go to the nail shop and get my nails, toes, eyebrow stuff. But I did everything myself because I was stuck in the house and didn't know the storm would really be like this. But I really want to go get my nails and toes done. I just have to find time. Like, they probably gonna be closed Thanksgiving. I don't know, because do they celebrate things? I don't know, I'm not sure. But they probably gonna be closed on Thanksgiving, and that's probably the only time I can really go, unless I go super late. It's gonna be packed regardless though, but I really want to go before Thanksgiving. Yeah, I don't know, but I will see you guys. I'm a little nervous with the snow and everything, so I will see you guys after I finish my client here. Of course, I will record my client, and yeah, we're going to circle this for YouTube, and then I'm gonna do the why would you? I'm so happy. So as y'all seen, I finished doing hair. I ran and got me some Chipotle, and then I just got home from the mall. I just needed like stuff from Bath and Body Works, but it's crazy because I don't buy like a bulk of stuff. I just buy what I need at a time. Like, I'm a big saver. So y'all, let me show y'all everything I got for $25, literally $25.56. I got a hand soap, another hand soap, a body wash, and this is my favorite one, like all-time favorite. I got a handful of wallflowers, guys. Literally, how many? 4 wallflowers. I can't even get them all. Fa la 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 latte, 2 of these, and then I got 2 snickerdoodles. So my house is about to be smelling amazing. All for $25. I had a coupon, and they have a sale going on, which I should be Christmas shopping or Black Friday shopping, whatever you want to say. But besides that, I'm excited. I'm about to prop these in so it can be smelling good. I'm about to return these bottles, go to Walmart, and I actually have a class tonight, guys. I'm debating if I'm going. Like, it's a storm. Do I really have time for that? I don't know. So we'll see what I do. Good morning, everyone. It is a nice sunny day. I'm in the laundry room about to get my clothes out the dryer and fold them really quick. And then me and babe is going to go get me some new tires. After that, he has to go to work at 2. I have to do hair, and then I'm gonna go do a little bit of Christmas shopping because Thanksgiving is tomorrow. I am going to Black Friday shopping as well. I didn't plan on it, but he wants to go with, so I'm gonna go with him and whoever else wanna come with us. So it will be a good little time. Today I really was planning on, so last night we had went to Aldi's and just got a little bit of groceries, snacks, whatever. But today I was literally planning on doing a full grocery shop, but everyone's like, why would you do that when Thanksgiving is right here? Pack plates. But I still am gonna get stuff because why not? And then my sister is gonna meet up with me so we can go to Target, Walmart, do a little Christmas shopping. I did some this morning online, which was kind of fun, but I only got her stuff right now. But that's what I kind of want to do most of my shopping online, but wait for Cyber Monday. I really don't know what to give people, so what I'm gonna do is get a bunch of stuff that I like and then just pass it out, like wrap it and choose who I want to give it to, who I think will like what, because no one really gave me a list of things. They just said, you know, like they just think like, oh, you know me, like get whatever you like, you know. I guess that means I have style. I'm not sure, but it's like, guys help. So this will be a good little I'm tripping, falling. Oh my Jesus. Let me get myself together. I'll be back. So we came out to eat after the car got fixed, whatever. Look how big Chris Pancakes is. Look how big. And it's 2 of them. Let's see how much he finished. I'll update y'all. Thanksgiving. It's so muddy out here, and it is the next morning. I got on like this little long dress thingy with some boots. It's kind of nice out here, y'all. It's like not that cold, whatever. And we are on our way to all the family's house. I have to go to my dad's side, my mom's side, Chris' family side. So we'll be doing a lot today. I woke up not feeling the greatest, but that's always me for some reason, which sucks. But it is what it is. I pushed through and I'm up and we're about to get started our day. So I got my look at Rose. She want to be a part of it. Say happy Thanksgiving. Ah, that's so sweet.
Who's all them little kids?
So they was trying to make me pray, and I pray every year, and Chris is disrespectful. Hula is disrespectful because I said, y'all just pick it up for me. Everybody say, retire. I do it every year. It's so mean. The one, they put me on the spot. My cousin gonna ask Chris, like, Chris, you praying? He said, huh? He said, you praying? He said, huh? Huh? Like, no. Keita gonna FaceTime my dad. Keita had the nerve to FaceTime my dad. It said Daddy about to break. He said I'm tired of it. Kaylee, eat it. Okay guys, so it is I think 3 hours later, almost maybe 2.5 hours later. We're leaving the first house. We're about to go to his family house, and then after I'm there for like an hour and a half maybe, I'm gonna have him dropping me off at my mom's house. It's really been a lot. Oh, and my sale is tonight. I keep forgetting that, but my sale is tonight, so I have to stay up no matter what. Can't take a nap, set my alarm, because people is gonna be waiting on the site if I'm sleeping. But so far so good. It's been a good Thanksgiving. How do you feel, Chris?
It's been a great day.
It's been a great day.
Playing it off. Very thankful.
I do have a little headache, but just get a little ginger ale and
You still got
call
a
it a day.
headache?
It just came right now, literally in his car. But I will see you guys at the next family house. Plate number 2. Don't mind if I don't. Don't mind if I do. I don't know. The TV is so loud, but we are at the next house and I'm about to eat. I only got a little bit of sides because, you know, but I am gonna pack these. Guys, I'm whooped. Oh, say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Mom always saying Hoover. Last house, last and final. I'm so tired.
Yes, you're tired.
Oh, I look a little crazy, a little bit, just a little bit. Black Friday shopping, y'all. Look how packed. Look. Black Friday. I'm hungry. Black Friday. Oh my gosh, look how packed it is in the food court, y'all. It's literally packed, but I'll show y'all what we get. I'm starving, so I want to eat, but they don't want to be on the camera, but they're gonna say, "Hey, Pop," say, "Hey, Chris, Black Friday shopping," and we will see y'all in a little bit. Y'all, I'm so tired. We now at Best Buy. We've been shopping for like 5 hours now, literally. In 7 minutes, it'll be 5 hours. I need a nap. Thank you to everyone that purchased. I have so many orders, and I still have to. Don't be in my video doing that. I still have to what's it called? Pack everything. I might do that tomorrow because I'm exhausted, guys. But it's packed in here. We're back. I'm back. Chris' parents' house. Chris is stuffing his face with Thanksgiving food again. How long was we up for? No, since 11. What time is it?
5:49.
11.
It's about to be 6.
So almost 7 hours. I can't breathe. Black Friday shopping.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Okay. Like seriously, like you weigh a feather. But I don't know, guys. I'm about to eat again. Everyone just thinks I'm their mattress today, I guess.
Yeah, it's a great mattress. I get one of these.
Get one of these. It's a chicken salad. Yeah, I better get one. But yeah, but we about to eat. Tomorrow I gotta do all these orders, and Sunday I have a tour. So Chris, okay. Happy Turkey Day.
Seriously, Adrian, what you think?
Oh, Turkey Day over. Okay. I just got home. I'm upset because I was expecting a package. It said it was delivered, so where's my package at? Like, I have stuff to do. I'm about to be so mad, y'all. What I'm gonna do? I don't know. I'm annoyed. But my package needs to get here. Because if it was delivered, where is it? I don't understand that. Let me calm down. Guys, I have all my orders here. Bubble wrap, packaging, thank you cards, scissors, tape, all the stuff, and I'm about to start packaging orders and show you how many I have. Guys, this is what I packaged so far, and I'm doing the rest tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.